Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? Also, alhamdulillah, all are doing great. So, children, now today we will revision wild animals name. Okay, children. So let's start. So, children, can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is monkey. This is monkey. Monkey is a wild animal. Okay? And do you know monkey lives in tree? Monkey lives in tree. Okay, children? Now, children, can you tell me where's this? Yes, this is deer. This is deer. Deer is a wild animal. Okay, children? And deer lives in forest. Okay, children? Okay. Now, children, tell me, where's this? Yes, this is crocodile. This is crocodile. Crocodile is a wild animal. Okay, children? And crocodile lives in forest. Okay, children? Now, children, what is this? Yes, this is lion. This is lion. Okay, children, lion lives in forest, and lion is a wild animal. Okay, children, and do you know lion is the king of forest? Okay, children. Okay. Now, Ishra, Namira, Tarunno. Can you tell me, Baba? What's this? Yes, this is crocodile. This is crocodile. It's very dangerous. Okay, children. Now, Ishanduti, reason, Naima. Do you know what's this? Yes, this is monkey. This is monkey. Very good. Now, tell me, Sarah, Ruhaima, Zaida. Do you know what's this? Yes, this is deer. This is deer. Deer is a wild animal. Okay, close. Now, Mahasin, Warisha, and Bhumi. Do you know what's this? This is lion. This is lion. Okay, class. So, class, revision this wild animals name at home. Now, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.